Vodka is one of the versatile alcohol and is available across all outlets, and also it's quite cheap compared to many of the other alcohols. So there are a lot of vodka preparations, and in today's video we are going to create a cocktail preparation which is again very easy to prepare, but yes, it's quite refreshing at the same time. The ingredients for today's cocktail: we have vodka in use. Added to that, we would be using lemon juice, and we would be using sugar syrup, and we would be using strawberry, like not much substantial, but we would be using strawberry to create this very classic strawberry mojito cocktail. Let's get started. So we would be using a like shaker to shake the ice. We would be using around 30 ml of vodka. This is a jigger. It gives you an idea of the amount of liquor that is being poured. This is 30 ml of vodka that we are using. We are adding 15 ml of lime juice. This is around 15 ml of lime juice that we are pouring in, and we are like putting in around 15 to 20 ml of sugar syrup. That's again depending on your taste. It's very easy to create sugar syrup, equal quantity of sugar and water, and bring it to boil, and your sugar syrup is ready, which you can keep it in like any of the glass bottles. Now we would be like making very small slices of the strawberry. Smaller you make, the better it is for the flavors to get infused. We are pouring in the strawberries, and we would be putting bit of mint leaves, just a bunch of mint leaves to give it a accentuate the flavor of it. And we would be using around 5 ice cubes. 1, 2, 3. So that's all. And then again, the regular task, we have to shake it vigorously so that the ice gets all on this thing melted and the flavor gets infused into the water. Let's get started. If you want the drink to be a bit pulpy, you can directly pour in the drink. And we would be topping this up with 30 ml of white wine. Alternatively, what you can do is you can top this up with tonic water, which is again quite good. But if you're using tonic water, and if you are pouring more than 30 ml of tonic water to top this up, make sure the quantity of sugar syrup that you are adding is balanced, because tonic water in itself is quite sweet. I am putting around 30 ml of wine to just accentuate the flavor of this particular drink. And we are all ready with a modified version of strawberry mojito, which is like topped up with a bit of wine. Let me go ahead and take a sip and see how it tastes. This is actually because like we have used vodka in it. It's a bit strong, and the taste is also really good. So you can go ahead and you can try out this drink. Make sure like you see the like size of the glass. If you're using 30 ml, this is the glass that you would be like I would suggest you to go with. And if you're using a glass which is kind of bigger, of this size, then probably you need to add around 45 ml of alcohol to like balance it. But again, it depends. If you want the drink to be not that strong, then it's 30 ml is a good measurement to get you started. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Do subscribe to The Single Unicorn so that we can make more interesting videos on cocktails and mocktails for you. And if you have enjoyed this video, do like this video, share this video with your friends and family, try this drink out at home, and let me know in the comment section below. That's all for today's video. We hope to see you in another interesting video.